If you've been pondering to yourself, what special gift do I have to offer? Stick around and eavesdrop on today's soliloquy to my number one son, Eli the Magnificent. Hello again, everyone. I'm Eli's dad with Project Eli, where we educate, lead, and inspire. Hang on, I'm going to talk to Eli and make some real basic points, and it's time to get back to basics, don't you think? You know, Eli, you're a unique individual just like everybody else. Let me rephrase that, my son. You're the same as everybody else, and you're not the same as everybody else. Say what? Perhaps I'd better elaborate. When you stop and think about it, we all have blood flowing through our veins, 5 senses, hair, though it may not all be located in the same places, feelings, desires, a vision for ourselves, vital organs, and belly buttons. Now, though I consider myself fortunate to believe that I'm different than everybody else, I'm grateful that an orthopedic surgeon knew what to do when I had my hip replaced last year. He was confident he could help me. He'd seen scenarios like mine before. He healed me so I could walk without pain and gave me some hope that I may continue to dominate you, or once again, when we play basketball. Fortunately, I had the same parts that he studied in med school. He knew that if he performed certain actions on my hip, there'd be a positive cause and effect result. Thank you, medical science, because he had seen it all before. Now, when you ponder your life and its challenges, you must not think that you're the first person to be born, for example, into a poor family, or to have big nostrils, or a receding hairline, or to stutter, or to be slow of foot. I mean, everybody's got big ears someplace. We all have perceived obstacles. That is one place where we're all the same. By the way, Eli, many people have told me that you look just like me, but don't worry, I made it somehow. Let's talk about some positive things that are the same for everybody. Let's see, let's start with the universal laws. There's the law of belief, law of attraction, law of gravity, and laws of electricity. I'm going to stop there because I want to keep this simple and not put too much on your plate at one time. Now, the law of belief states simply that if you believe something strongly enough, you can make it happen. Its components include visualizing the results you're seeking every day, feeling like you've already achieved your objective when you visualize it, seeing, feeling, tasting, hearing, touching, smelling, all of it as a part of your visualization, and expressing gratitude that it has been achieved even before it's been achieved. Very simply stated, it's to conceive, believe, achieve in your own mind. Now, how about the law of attraction? Like attracts like. Send out the vibrations of your desired outcome into the universe. Thoughts are things. Well, Eli, if all you needed to do was to send out vibrations, I would have given you a vibrator for your birthday. It's true that your thoughts are things, but discard the cliche that once you see it, then you'll believe it. Throw it in the trash. The law of attraction is that if you give a specific objective your entire attention, you will start to see things that are related to your desire that you hadn't noticed before, and that events will occur that relate to your objective, and that ideas will come to you through your dreams, intuition, and happenstance. Why? Because when you send out a clear vibe to the universe, the universal planner, your partner, will help you to achieve your goal. Now, I mentioned this before, but this partnership communication, it can come to you in many different ways. How do you know when you're receiving input from the universal planner? There's a connection between your gut and your brain. Sometimes the term intuition is used. Trust this special feeling. Remember 2 key points. The universe will key in to help you solve your issue only if it's a burning desire, your singular purpose. And second, be sure to not include solutions when you dream about the outcome that you're seeking. Those solutions that your conscious self has already attempted without success become part of the message being sent. Leave the line clear. for the universe to utilize all of the different paradigms available to solve your issue. Presenting one paradigm limits the universe. Our capabilities house only a few paradigms. The universe has all the paradigms in the universe. In this case, less is much more. Let's move on to the law of gravity. Be certain that the company that you enlist to assist you in your endeavor are positive believers in your objective and or your desire. Unfortunately, there are many more doubters than there are supporters of ambitious, innovative thoughts, ideas, and practices. Be particularly wary of those closest to you because they sincerely believe that they're helping you by discouraging you, and their sincerity sells. Remember to trust your gut. Their gravity can bring you down because, like enthusiasm, gravity is also contagious. Choose the company that you keep judiciously. The vaccine for this virus is the daily doses of belief that you inject into your body upon awakening in the morning and just before you retire at night. Now, if you miss a dose of the belief serum, you run the risk of becoming a manic depressive. You'll get very high on the highs and very low on the lows. Take your medicine at least 2 times a day and escape the pull of gravity. Law of electricity: to keep the current flowing between you, Eli, and the universal planner, your partner, you must take action. Where there is no action, there is no current. When you take action, you electrify your motivation, you make progress, and you motivate the universal partner to give you positive and negative feedback. You'll know when you receive positive feedback because you call that progress. It's an addictive elixir. It generates momentum. Negative feedback, though, is also positive because it is the universe telling you that you must seek a new direction, paradigm, or method to move forward. Be sure to try solving your roadblock issue with your conscious mind first. If you're unable to find the solution that way, though, enlist the aid of the subconscious mind, the universal partner, to help you regain forward movement and momentum. Quick summary. Be cognizant that you are a unique individual and not a unique individual. Your physical makeup is virtually the same as everybody else's, and everybody has issues that challenge them and must be overcome to reach their individual goals. These are the characteristics of similarity. What makes you different is utilizing the universal laws and having the wherewithal to put them to use. These laws, as we've described them uniquely, are the laws of belief, attraction, gravity, and electricity. It takes a considerable amount of understanding, courage, mindset, and persistence to make them work for you so that you may enable yourself to achieve your unique purpose. Eli, isn't it ironic that what separates the achiever from the non-achiever is the capability to master universal laws that are the same for everybody? That is what enables you to be unique. And because we will never end a meeting on a philosophical note, let's all get out there, take some action, and charge! I'm Eli's dad.